You're tuned in to MES Radio, powered by Modern English School.
Good afternoon, MES. Today, we the students of class 9th are proud to present this radio program on the occasion of Republic Day, a day that marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution on 26 January 1950. I'm Hiba and I will be anchoring today's radio. This day reminds us of our rights, duties, and the values that make our nation strong. On this historic day, India became a sovereign, democratic republic, giving every citizen the right to equality, freedom, and justice. Let us begin today's radio with a thought for the day. Let's welcome Ramil.
Let us begin with today's thought. A nation's strength lies in the unity of its people. It is a day to honor our freedom fighters, soldiers, and leaders who sacrificed their lives for our nation. Today is not just another date on the calendar. Today is 26 January, the day India chose to govern itself by the power of its people. On this day in 1950, India did something extraordinary. We did not receive freedom as a gift. We defined it as a right.
Thank you, Ramil, for that meaningful thought. Now, to understand the strength and importance of our nation, let us move on to the power of the Constitution presented by Rizwana.
Our Constitution is not just a book of laws. It is a promise of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. When India became a republic, we chose a vision of a nation where everyone is equal before the law and diversity is our strength. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar rightly said, "The Constitution is only as good as the people who follow it." These words remind us that rights come with responsibility. The Constitution gives us freedom, but it is our duty to protect it and respect it. So today, the real question is not what the Constitution gives us, but what we give back to our nation. Let us honor our Constitution, not just in words, but in our actions. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Rizwana. That was so informative. The Constitution gives us rights, but the future of our country lies in its youth. To share a message for the youth minds of India, we invite Izanura.
Dear students, we are not just the future of India, we are the present. The strength of our republic lies in classroom like ours, in the choice we make, in the values we practice, and in the courage to stand for what is right. Stay united, be honest, and always help others. Together we can make our country strong and proud.
Thank you, Noora, for that inspiring message. Love for our country is shown through our actions. To tell us what true patriotism means, here we have Faris.
Being patriotic means having love, loyalty, and pride in one's country, and expressing that feeling through actions and attitude that support its people's values. Being patriotic is not just saluting the flag, it is speaking the truth, it is respecting differences, it is standing up against injustice. Let us now pause and let our hearts speak the language of the nation through a patriotic song.
Thank you, Faris, for sharing your thoughts on patriotism. Now let's enjoy a patriotic song by Iza and Izanura.
ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तो, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन मेरे वदन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन मेरे वदन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन रहे तो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन रहे तो, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you guys, that was so wonderful. Now we have Isa reading the preamble of our constitution.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unit of integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves thus Constitution.
On this Republic Day, let us take a silent pledge to think freely, to act responsibly, and to serve selflessly. With pride in our hearts and duty in our minds, we conclude today's radio. Happy Republic Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Their lives for our nation.
MES Radio,